Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. Today I'm sharing my weekly cleaning routine. So this is what I do every week in order to keep my house clean. I recently did a video about my daily cleaning habit, so I'll link that below as well. So both videos are really helpful and just explain how I clean my house each week. So you can definitely follow along with this video if it looks like a good routine to implement in your home. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. On Mondays, I dust my entire house and I use the Method Wood for Good. I also have this mitt, I just got it at the Dollar Tree, and I have this duster, which is great for getting into little grooves and things. And then I have a microfiber cloth that I got from Grove Collaborative. I just wanted to show you all three because I think all three are great, but one of these would be just fine. So I always start in the same spot, and I have mentioned this many times on my channel. I got this idea from Fly Lady. And if you start in the same spot and always work your way around your home in the same way, you can get your cleaning done a lot faster. So I am just dusting everything. And I've also found that if you do all of your dusting first and then all of your glass and mirrors, etc., rather than just cleaning one room at a time, it really saves you time because you don't get distracted. You just are entering that room to dust, and then you're working your way around the house, and I can dust my entire house in 15 minutes. On Tuesdays, I clean my glass and mirrors. I use vinegar and water. I fill a spray bottle about a third of the way with vinegar and the rest with water. It's my favorite cleaner for glass, and I've tried pretty much everything. And I use old bath towels that I cut into squares. I just make sure I don't use fabric softener on them, and they are very absorbent. If you are having an issue with streaks, I've had that happen before when there has been dust buildup on a mirror or something that maybe I didn't clean for a while. And usually you spray your cleaner on and it just kind of smears the dust away, or it's just really streaky, and no matter what you do, it seems like you can't get them off. What you can try is either using a dry cloth and just removing that dry dust that's on there, or you can even take a damp cloth and wipe it down and try to remove that dust first so that you're not smearing it around, and then go in with your cleaner and wipe it down, and that should eliminate any streaks if you're having an issue with those. So you can see I am moving my way around my house in the same order. I'm not showing a lot of my husband's office or my boys' bathroom and bedrooms just for their privacy, so I am going into those rooms. The glass and mirrors do not take me long at all. I can get those done in less than 15 minutes. On Wednesdays, I vacuum my entire house. We do not have furry pets, so I can get away with vacuuming once a week, and it really isn't that bad, but it definitely needs to be done once a week in my home. We also don't wear shoes in our home. You will see me wearing shoes throughout the video. These are my house shoes, and I do not wear them outside. They are very comfortable. I do like to wear these inside because we have a lot of hardwood floors, so these are really comfortable. I'm going to link them below because I get asked about them all the time. And again, you see me starting in the entryway and working my way around the house, always starting and stopping in the same place. This just helps to not get sidetracked. It doesn't take as long, and I can vacuum my whole house in about 15 to 20 minutes. I do vacuum the staircases and everything, so yeah, just 15 to 20 minutes and I'm done. On Thursdays, I dust and wash my hardwood floors. To dust my hardwood floors, I use a Swiffer sweeper and a sock from the Dollar Tree. I learned this tip from a viewer and they work great, and then you don't have to purchase the disposable cloth. And I do have to say, remember that the tripod is right where I am trying to sweep, so I'm just trying not to back into it and also show you what I'm doing. So normally when I'm cleaning, I probably am not going in such an odd direction. Usually I sweep myself out of the room, but I had to make room for the tripod and camera and everything, so hopefully that makes sense. I have received comments about that before, but just remember the tripod's in the way of me trying to back my way out of the room, and I want to show you what I'm doing. Now I am washing my wood floors. I use the Method wood floor cleaner. I get the large refill bottle from Grove Collaborative and it lasts a really long time. This is my favorite wood floor cleaner. I've tried quite a few, and this one doesn't leave my floor streaky. It doesn't leave footprints, which was a problem that I was having with other cleaners. So I really like this one, and it has a wonderful almond scent. And you can use your own cleaners with the Rubbermaid Reveal mop, and I really like this mop. I had this at my old house, so I've had it for several years, and it's great because you can just take the mop pads off and wash them. I have a couple different bottles, so I can change them out for different floor cleaners if I want. So I have one for my tile floor, and it works great. On Fridays, I clean the bathrooms. We have 4 bathrooms. My boys take care of theirs. They take turns cleaning it, so I don't have to worry about that. I just clean the other 3. So I am in the powder room right now. I'm wiping down the countertops, the sink, the soap dispenser. I am using the Caldria Pear Blossom Agave all-purpose cleaner. I get the concentrate and it lasts for a really long time and it smells so good. I really like the Caldria spray. I also like Mrs. Meyer's and I've tried different scents. I really like the mint scent and the basil are some of my favorites that they have, I think, year round. And I also like some of the more seasonal scents, so those are great cleaners. I put my toilet bowl cleaner in my toilet a few minutes ago to let it set in there for a little bit. My favorite toilet bowl cleaner is Method toilet bowl cleaner. It's the best, I think. I am going to spray down my shower with the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Tub and Tile. This is one of my favorite shower cleaners, and I do have an offer. This video is not sponsored. It's available all the time, and I usually leave it in my description box, where you can get this for free along with a few other Mrs. Meyer's products and some walnut scrubbers, which are like sponges from Grove Collaborative. So I'll leave all of that in the description box below. So I am just going around and wiping down my countertop and sink. I do wipe my countertop every day after I get ready, so this is just a more thorough cleaning of the countertop and making sure I get in all of the grooves of the faucet and things like that. Now I am washing my tile floors. I am using my Rubbermaid Reveal mop. I switched out the bottles, so I am using the Method Hard Floor Cleaner. This is a different cleaner and it's made for tile floors. It works great. Sometimes I use my steamer on my tile floors. I'll link the one that I have. I also went in and washed the laundry room floor as well. On Saturday, we just change our sheets. So what I usually do is wash the sheets and put them right back on the bed. I do have other sets of sheets. I have cute gray polka dot sheets that I love, but sometimes it's just easy enough to wash them and put them right back on the bed. So that is what I do on Saturdays. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I have a lot of cleaning videos on my channel, so I'll link some playlists below so you can check those out.